Using a technique called serial tunneling, it's possible to use two device masters to extend a serial connection over a computer network. The first step is to set up the device master units on the same physical network and assign them appropriate IP addresses as covered in another video. In this example, we'll use the 192.168.250 subnet. One device master is assigned the final octet of 250 and the other 251. One device master needs to be configured to initiate the TCP connection to the other. Once the connection is established, communication is open in both directions. For the device initiating the TCP connection, the most common settings are TCP connection enabled checked. Listen can be checked or unchecked. On port set to the default 8000. Connect to IP address of the other device in the chain. In this example, it's 192.168.250.251. Target port of 8000, source port of 0, connect always checked, and the other boxes left at their default setting. Be sure to click the Save button afterward. For more details on what these options do, see the Help section of the DeviceMaster web interface. For the device receiving the TCP connection, the appropriate settings are TCP connection enabled checked, listen must be checked, on port set to the default 8000, and the other options at their default settings. Again, click Save after making changes. Once these settings are configured, the first device will initiate the network connection to the second. Once the connection is established, two-way serial communication is enabled between the serial ports of the two device masters.